Are you looking for roles like analytics product manager, data science product manager, machine learning product manager, or AI product manager? If you're looking to crack these roles, we have a perfect program for you that will help you crack opportunities like this. Hi everyone, my name is Manav. I'm the founder and CEO of INSEAD, and in this video, I want to introduce you to a first of its kind program ever launched in India, and a very popular program at INSEAD called the PGP in Product Management and Data Science. Now, first of all, let me help you understand before I get into why you should choose this program, who this program is for. This program has been designed keeping one person in mind, and that is you. If your ambition is you want to be at the intersection of frontier technologies and you want to build products which are AI based, machine learning based, analytics based, this program is for you. Now, why should you choose this program? There are three big reasons why this program will be a perfect fit for your goals. Number one, this program has been designed, developed and crafted by some of the top data science and product management professionals in India. What we did is we brought data scientists from top companies like Google, Meta, Gartner, Amazon, and we brought product managers as well. And what we tried to do is that build a curriculum that is so nicely structured and takes you in the in-depth level of both product management and data science. So this is the only, let me underline, only program in India that helps you master both data science and product management. That is, you do not need to do two different programs to master both data science, analytics, machine learning and product management. You can do all of that in one go in a span of 1 year. How amazing is that? And that's something that you would absolutely love about this program. The second USP of the program is the program is designed in a very flexible yet step-by-step manner. Now, let me tell you why it is step-by-step manner. Now, if you're from a non-programming background, it teaches you, for example, the very basics of data science, statistics, coding, Python, etc., and then builds on that and takes you to the next level of data analysis, then teaches you machine learning. And all of this happens in the, let's say, the first 6 months of the program if you want to start with the data science part of the program. However, you can also start with the product management modules, which is the other half of the month. So you can choose, for example, the first 6 months data science and the next 6 months product management, or you can also do it vice versa. We will not restrict you. We will not ask you to do either product management or data science in a particular order. However, you have the flexibility and the freedom to choose what you want to start with. We would go to as in-depth modules as possible in either of the cases. That's something that you will love. First 6 months, one area, next 6 months, the other area. Now, the third and the last piece about the program that you would absolutely love is the way the program is designed. It has been designed keeping the industry requirements in mind. And that's why the program is as hands-on as possible. It takes real-world practical applications of both data science and product management. We do not want to teach you only theory, because if we teach you theory, you will not be successful as a data product manager. What we wanted is you should know how to work on tools. You should know how to work on different concepts, right? Let's say machine learning. You are learning a concept in machine learning. You should know how to actually apply machine learning in real world. And that's what this program will help you do. It prepares you for real life, real world industry use cases, which is so important for your success as a data product manager. Lastly, this program comes with career assistance, and this program is basically the only program that has been designed with some of these end roles in mind, which are listed in front of you, which is analytics product manager, data product manager, machine learning product manager, etc., etc. I believe this program will not only catapult you into these roles, but these programs will help you build the mindset, skill set, and arm you with the tools that are required for success as an analytics, data science, or AI product manager. Look forward to seeing you join in the program, and I invite you to talk to our learning advisor and ask whatever questions you have about the program and transform yourself on this journey of becoming a data and a product leader for future in India.